Hello. Today we're gonna be doing the upgrade on the storage board from the iPod 5.5, the iPod Classic, the one that everyone loves. It's the one that everyone wants to have. Is very lucky. I'm very lucky to have this device for the past 20 years. I bought it in 2006. And for to me was a huge thing because I really love music. I cannot live without music. My whole day needs to be with a background music, and I have so many records and CDs and tapes. And when this came out with 30 gigas of storage, was like a dream, like a dream come true, because I could put so much music here inside, some mixtapes, some sets, DJ sets that I love it, and I was really happy, and I cannot believe I could keep this device for the past 20 years without too much damage, right? Just the usual wear and tear that putting too much times inside your pocket, but there's no dents, there's no issues, it's working perfectly. The sound is amazing. I love the sound of the DAC. And yes, it's my favorite music players. Actually, I was planning to get a new hi-fi, sci-fi, right? Music player, mobile music player. But when I remember that I have this iPod in my crate, I was really surprised to see how big is the community, and how big is the modding community on these devices today. So with a little research, I found out that the best upgrade for me would be the iFlash Dual that I just got today in the mail box. And I already cut the board, that you don't need the upper part. You just need a very small 2-bay logic board, and this is to me it's great. So let's try to do it right. I never done this kind of video. It will be my first time. Let's see. I already replaced the battery on my iPod, and it was really easy to do it. This specific model is very easy to open with just a little tool. Well, I was able to open the device. So let's try again. I replaced for a new battery, a new 650 battery. I forgot the name of so whatever, let's do it. It's pretty much open. You always need to be careful with the flat cables. There is one right here already that needs to be removed before you're able to really open it. I'm not sure you can see, there is a small plastic piece that holds the flat cable, and then you can just pull up that's it. And then you can fully open the iPod. How I told you already, exchange for a new 600 milliamperes, right? This is how you say. A brand new that I got from AliExpress that fits perfectly inside. But I already have one 2000 milliamperes coming. I was using the iPod these past weeks with the new battery, and it's holding a lot of, I think it's like a whole day or 2 days of battery if you play continuously. And now I order 2000 milliamperes that I think is gonna be a really nice addition. I'm not planning to do any more upgrades. I really like the looks of the iPod. I don't want to put nothing fancy, any colors. I don't want to even change the software that I really like. I only got the iFlash Dual. uDual, right? The name is the uDual, is the latest iFlash board that came out, I think 2 years ago or 3. I'm not sure. You can correct me in the comments if you want. That has only 2 storage bays, and this is the latest one after the quad board that had 4 bays. But to me, doesn't make any sense to have that much storage, and also because of the limitations the firmware for the iPod 5 has. You cannot have like 1 terabyte. It won't play. It won't work. It's like a waste. So 2 boards is more than enough. I got the Samsung MicroSD cards with 128 gigas. That to me is more than enough. I can put a lot of FLAC music, FLAC files, and yeah, I'm not gonna be upgrading anything else. I don't think I'm gonna be upgrading even the storage. No? 128 is really a lot. So let's try to do this. I hope I'm not gonna mess my iPod. So I need to remove here, and then we need to open this little latch here. To pull out this cable. That's it. Now we can comfortably work removing the washboard. Is everything? Yeah, it's done. So in order to remove the hard drive, you need to flip this little latch right here. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to show you. I don't have micro lens, but you need to flip this very small latch, black latch, and then the flat cable comes out. And here you have the very small 30 gigabyte. This it's a Samsung, right? Toshiba. It's a Toshiba 30 gigabyte hard drive from 2006. It's really mesmerizing how they they done this iPod. It's really nice. So yeah, and then we're gonna start to mount our little iFlash Dual, and I got this Samsung 128, and I'm gonna be placing in the first bay as instructed. There you go. I don't think I need to put any tape here because it's very, very secure. It's not gonna come out with a little, with just the movements, right? But if you want to put, you can put it. And you can see how small this iFlash uDual is. You still have a lot of room to put batteries, to put anything else that you want it. I'm not gonna be doing. So it seems there's a latch here as well that you need to pull up. It's very small. I think you can see now, right? I'm flipping it. A very small latch. And then, oh yeah, how are you gonna do it? It's like that. Always, oh my god. Okay, so it seems it's like that. I'm gonna be placing this part here. Now it's tricky. Yeah, I need to be very careful to not damage anything. As you can see here, I need to put the flat cable inside the slot. It's just a little, yeah, it's going inside. I think it's done. You can do some pushes. And that's it. And then you put the flip down. Let's see. Yeah. There you go. And it's done. It's installed. It's very light. Even the the flat cable can hold the little small storage board from my flash. And that's it. And you can see the other iPod components. Yeah, it's really well built. You can put it here. It's gonna hold it. And then we're gonna start to, I don't think I'm gonna use this little phone that came with the kit. That is the iFlash board. The little phone pad. And they sent me some stickers as well. iFlash stickers. Yeah, this all came in the package. So now we're gonna put it back. So we're gonna start with the cable that connects. Oh, now it stays. All right. This one is a little bit tricky as well. You need to be very, very careful to not break these little latches. I remember this one's a little pain in the ass to put it back. But anyways, we're gonna do it. The battery is done. And now we're gonna, my God, look, it's so much lighter now. It's really, really light without the huge, huge, tiny hard drive. Like, yeah. I hope this not gonna be beating inside, right? Otherwise it's gonna be opening again. Let's see. Let's see first if it's gonna turn on, right? You need to put the battery cable back. And that's it. Sorry, I have my hands in front, but I cannot do it differently. That's it. Let's see first if it's gonna turn on. Is everything okay? No. It seems I did something wrong. Oh, no, it's coming. Wow. That's it. That's it. It's done. Connect your computer. Connect to your computer. Use iTunes to restore. Okay, we're going to use the iTunes. All right, so everything is working. I'm going to close the iPod. It's very easy to close. Yeah, it's done. Oh yeah, I think we're gonna need to hold that piece of board with something. But anyway, I think our video is complete. Now we just need to restore. And that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.